Hello, and thank you for joining us today. The BETE Systems Department would like to introduce our automated spray system video demonstration series. We hope that you enjoy these videos and find them useful in setting up and maintaining your new automated spray system. This video covers disassembly and cleaning of an EHP nozzle. BETE requires all customers to install their new spray system in a manner that is acceptable by OSHA in accordance with any other applicable safety and health regulations. In addition to customer-specific safety requirements, BETE recommends wearing safety glasses and hand protection while performing maintenance operations. Always follow proper lockout-tagout procedures when working with electrical equipment and mechanical system components. All high-voltage work, including wiring the power cable inside the FlexFlow panels before use, should be completed by a qualified electrician. The EHP can either be maintained using an adjustable wrench or the specific wrench sizes for each nut size. First, we start by removing the backplate screws. Once the screws are removed, we can pull the back plate off of the body. Remove the spring. This will either be in the coil or the body. Remove the nut on the back plate. Remove the solenoid. This may be a tight fit, but be careful not to damage the connector. Remove the cap nut and spray tip. Remove the plunger from the body if you have not already. Remove O-rings and unscrew the orifice from the body. Place all stainless steel components in an ultrasonic cleaner. Do not submerge the windy assembly. Make sure your cleaner of choice is compatible with stainless steel to prevent corrosion and prolong your nozzle lifespan. For reassembly, repeat these steps in reverse or refer to our disassembly and assembly video. Thank you for watching our cleaning video. For more detailed instructions, please consult the product manual or contact BETE spray experts at sysfab@bete.com.